Do you need to deliver dashboards to your digital signage without jeopardizing security? Delivering dashboards through digital signage has always had its challenges. Some systems work around this by enabling sharing of dashboards via a public URL. However, this isn't as secure, so companies don't often permit this as a solution. Although difficult, it isn't impossible to find. We wanted to find a way to display these dashboards and web pages in a secure way across a range of device types. The need to visualize important information such as rolling production numbers, status updates, or key business metrics has never been more vital to successfully communicating with your employees. Security has always been our #1 priority, so when we decided to create secure dashboards for Signagelive, we focused on removing the complications without making the compromises. Our smart login bot intelligently attempts to log into the website with your credentials you've provided, meaning that if your website changes design or layout, you won't have to reconfigure your secure dashboard. We built an easy-to-navigate user interface allowing you to connect to the dashboards of your choice. Simply enter your login credentials to your preferred dashboard, configure how often you'll need your dashboard to update, and decide what dashboards you'd like to display. From here, the secure dashboard solution will regularly capture your latest dashboard so it can be displayed on your players. Then all you need to do is schedule your dashboard just like you would do with any other asset. We've tested many industry-leading solutions, however the secure dashboard will work with any web application. Your credentials are stored separately. As an example, should your password expire, replacing your credentials once will automatically update any dashboards already created. To find out more about secure dashboards, speak to our team today.